Yeah, students, I think most of them join now. Yeah. Anyone have doubts in last class? Anyone have doubts in last class? Hari, Sajani, Vishwajit, Victoria, Asir, Dinesh,
आज मैं वीडियो
Vignesh,
पढ़ता ना उससे
Tarun. Good evening to all. Yeah, we'll continue the session. Yeah. So in last class we have discussed up to the how to find number of electrons and number of protons and as well as number of neutrons in a given element. If it is either will be atom or ion or whatever it is, we have found. Yes, na? Then do one question now. I'll give here. Do one question. Yeah, that's what Vishwajit I had done now. So last class, what we done the atom introduction we have done. Then how they discovered the Dalton atomic theory also we have done. Then one more thing, Thomson model, nothing but watermelon model that also we have done. Then alpha scattering method. Those are for alpha scattering method and their postulates we have discussed. Then about the element, the symbol of element, how to write the mass. Mass is A, atomic number is Z. So how to calculate number of neutrons and as well as protons and as well as electrons, how to identify the given element, that also we have discussed. So based on that, what we discussed in that only. So I'll give one question, do that one. Do that. 1 minute. Yeah. What is this chapter name? Is atomic structure. Electrons, protons, neutrons, and electrons in the answer for that, lutetium. So first, what is asking number of protons? Number of protons equal to number of protons. First, number of protons equal to atomic number. Na, how much the atomic number here? 71. Then number of electrons. Next, they given as a neutrons. Na? Number of neutrons. The charge is 0. Neutrons, how to identify? Mass minus atomic number. Mass is how much here? Mass is symbol is A minus atomic number Z. A is how much here? 175 minus A. Z is 71. And calculate. Then number of electrons. Number of electrons is there how many? Is equal to atomic number. Why? Because it is neutral atom. So 71. So number of neutrons is how many? Number of neutrons.
104
minus 71. 104. So Your answer is 71, 104, 71. So this is your answer respectively. Protons, neutrons, electrons. So how much easy this one? Very, very easy. If you can go for 9th standard students also, even 9th standard student also will do this type of question. So this was they asked in a NEET 2020 examination. This much easy, very easy. NEET 2020 examination. This much easy they have asked us. So this is the 4 mark question. So NEET all questions all also will be 4 marks only. So how much easily you can score here 4 marks? Very much easy. So that much easy question they were asked in NEET 2020. Okay. So we'll go further. We'll start the session. So we have done up to that one, how to find the number of electrons and as well as neutrons and as well as protons. As usual, we have found. Then we'll go for the topic to the topic. Then how to identify the mass, total mass. So we have to, I'll give the one table. First note down what is the charge of electron and neutron, mass of electron and neutron, who found that, everything will give here. Note down that one. So subparticles make one table. Please make keep your mouth. Please keep your mic in mute. Okay, subparticles of atom discovered by charge, mass, charge and as well as mass. Then we'll see the table. Sorry. Yeah, Harmanjuna, you can ask to Arul sir. Arul sir, he will give. Okay, that video. Arul sir. Okay. So subparticles we can go for here means first is the electron. Electron who discovered ma? J.J. Thomson was discovered the electron. J.J. Thomson. J.J. Thomson, electron was discovered. Then proton. Proton you can take means who discovered means Goldstein. Goldstein. Scientist name is Goldstein. Neutrons. Neutrons who discovered means James Chadwick. James Chadwick. James Chadwick was found. Then what is the charge of electron? What is the charge of electron? The charge of electron is minus 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. Coulombs. Okay. Then another value can go means in electrostatic units. This is in coulombs, or the units maybe if you change means minus 4.8 into 10 to the power of minus 10 to the power of minus 10 ESU electrostatic units, or the charge is minus 1. The charge is minus 1. Okay, then go for proton. So these things will be about the electron. Then we'll go for proton. For proton charge is nothing is there. This is minus means this is plus. Plus 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs or minus 4 point or plus 4.8 into 10 to the power of minus 10 coulombs. That is coulombs. This is ESU. ESU means electrostatic units. Electrostatic unit. Okay. R plus 1. R plus 1 or R plus 1. Okay. Then what is the charge of neutron? The neutron charge is 0. The neutron charge is 0. That we have been already know. Then we'll go for mass of the mass. I am writing here. Mass. Mass of the electron. If you go for mass of the electron, mass of the electron, 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kg. Minus 31 kg. If you take in grams means 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 28 gram. Minus 28 gram. Minus 28 gram. In terms of atomic mass unit, first chapter we have learned atomic mass unit. If you go for this one, 0.0000548 AMU atomic mass unit. AMU atomic mass unit. AMU. Okay. Then we'll go for the proton. We'll go for the proton. Proton, if you take means what is the mass means 1.672. 1.672 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kg. 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Or in grams means 1.672 into 10 to the power of minus 24 gram. Minus 24 gram. In terms of AMU, 1.00757 757 AMU. That is the mass of the proton. Then go for mass of neutron. Mass of neutron. Mass of neutron, if you take means here 1.672 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kg. And mass of the proton and as well as neutron is same. 1.672 into 10 to the power of minus 24 gram. But in terms of AMU, it will be small variation will come. 1.00, there will be 757. Here it will be 893 AMU. Atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit. Okay. So this is the, okay, have to be mainly how to do this AMU. Which mass should be more? Electron mass should be more, proton mass should be more. Means actually you can say as a proton mass should be more and more, very much greater than the electron. Okay. So if you need conversions, coulomb to electrostatic units, 1 coulomb. So this was very much clearly you will get in physics. 1 coulomb equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 9. 3 into 10 to the power of 9 ESU, electrostatic units. 3 into 10 to the power of 9 electrostatic units. That is that. And based on that, if you see means order of mass, if you see means here, which is more means mass of neutron should be greater than mass of proton, than mass of electron. Why? Because electron mass is 0.0005. The proton mass is 0.00757 AMU. We go for neutron 1.00893. So this is the order of mass with respect to the subparticles present in an atom. Subparticles present in an atom. Right. Next, some important definitions. Let's take it's a very much important one. First one, isotope. Isotopes. Iso means what? Iso means same. Iso is meaning same. Tope means, let's see. What is the isotopes means? Elements having same atomic number. Elements having same atomic number but different in their mass. Different in their mass. Let's say example, hydrogen we have been learned. Hydrogen we have three isotopes, H1, H2, and as well as 3. See, this element having same atomic number. So atomic number for this one is how much? Z is how much? Z is 1. Here also 1. Here also will be 1. Then mass is how much? A is how much for here? Hydrogen 1. Here should be the 2. Here should be the 3. Atomic number is same, but mass is different. So that type of elements we can isotopes. That type of elements we can call as isotopes. Okay. Then go for another example. C6H12 as well as C6H13. Now you can see here how much atomic number is how much 6 here, and here also atomic number. Then mass is how much? 12. Here should be the 30. Atomic number is same, mass is different. The type of elements we can call as the isotopes. Hydrogen having 3 isotopes, carbon also having 3 isotopes, C2 and as well as C13 and as well as C14. Then go for nitrogen. We go for nitrogen. N17 and 14, N7, 14, N7 and 15. So atomic number is same, equal. Then mass is how much here? 14 and as well as 16. So these two are isotopes. Same atomic number but different in mass, different in their what we can isotope. Okay, next isomers. Different elements, different elements means different atomic number and same mass, but having same mass number. Having same mass number. Different elements means different atomic number, but having same mass number. Then see the example here. this example, C6 14 and as well as 7 14. So what is the relationship between these two? So these are both are different elements, different number. Then mass is how much? Mass is 14, here will be 14. So these two we can as a isobars. Then let's see. Both elements are different. Calcium and potassium, if elements are elements, automatically its atomic number also will be different. Then you can observe here the mass is potassium is 40 and as well as calcium also will be 40. So these two we can relationship is isobars. Okay. Then we come for here this one. We go for atomic number is 1 here, atomic number is 2. This is hydrogen, this is helium. And what is the mass here? This is 3 and as well also this also will be 3. Mass is equal. So that you can say as the isobars. Is it visible?
Sir, screen is not visible.
Screen is not visible.
Only the logo
Now once we check,
visible.
once we check now,
No, sir.
wait all of you. Ankita, Manjunath. Okay. So now these two also will be examples for isobars. Then we'll go for another. The third one is isotones.
Sir, voice is breaking, sir.
Voice is breaking. Is it okay now? Isotones having different atomic number but having same mass number. Same mass number. Let's see the examples.
Sir, you haven't started
Some
sharing
examples,
the
please.
screen, sir.
Share the screen now. And that's not showing maybe. Sorry. Right. Is it visible now?
No, sir.